I just wanted to show you 3 Studio Max. So this is a map of Miramichi, and I did an outline, and you can see this box here is where Canadian Point is. Look at the right here. This is your painting, and this is the same Canadian Point location on the map. So what I did is I put, if you look, this is the perspective of the artist, the time and shorelines. You can see the artist definitely just want to show you where the artist would have took the photo. So let me bring my camera in here just to show you. Let's grab the camera here. They would have been easily on the King George Highway area, right around this spot here, where they took the photo. To give you an idea of the photo perspective. So that would have been just this side of French Fork Cove, probably another a few blocks down. Would have been, there's where the Petro-Can is today. So it would have been painted halfway between the Petro-Can and French Fork Cove. And that's what's the power of this. The tools that I used and taught over the years was one's called perspective map controls, and in there you can actually play around with the vanishing point, just like someone would in a with the painting. Anyways, clearly you've got a pretty good, based on what I see, a pretty good case for that being Canada Point on the right side. And if you look at the top of this map, and I draw on the Canada Point where the landing would be, you can see on the map on the right the exact point from where that would have landed. So good call.